Do you know these interesting facts? The African elephant is the largest land animal, with males weighing up to 6 tons. They are highly intelligent and have a strong social structure within their herds. The redwood trees found in California, USA, are among the tallest and oldest living organisms on Earth. Some can reach heights of over 350 feet and live for thousands of years. The Arctic tundra is a unique biome characterized by extremely cold temperatures and a short growing season. It is home to various species adapted to survive in harsh conditions. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.